In this video, I will show you how to use a 3-digit or 4-digit combination lock. So when you get these locks, if you're wondering what is the default password to unlock, so it's all zeros, 000. So see, for example, if I have it set on the 0, I can also insert inside to basically lock onto something. So see, if I twist now the code, the lock is locked. But if I enter the code, also you see you have those arrows. Make sure the numbers are properly aligned on the arrows on the top and bottom. So like this, once you have the code inside, you can unlock. So if you want to change the code, also it's very easy. So on the lock itself, observe where you have this tiny knob here. So like a metal protrusion here. And also on the lock itself here, I see you also have like a tiny hole here. So what you have to do is you simply have to position your lock like this, so with the shackle like this, 90 degrees, and simply insert in that tiny hole and push it in. So you can exert quite a bit of pressure. And next we can change the code, for example, so let's set 888, and once satisfied, simply eject it outside, and as you see we have the code set. So you see, if we change the code, the lock is locked. If you enter the correct code, it's unlocked. Also, if you perhaps have forgotten the code on these locks, it's also quite easy to unlock them. In my opinion, they're actually not very secure at all. If you want to know how to do that, you can also check my other videos. So I'll leave a link where you can even check basically how to unlock this lock, even if you have forgotten the code of it. Okay, good luck.